Learn to play. The Franklin Sports Kids Soccer Goal Set is perfect for introducing your little athletes to the game of soccer. Easy assembly. This insta-set is designed with quick fold corner joints that fold lock into place to easily assemble or break down the goal in seconds. The portable functionality makes this goal easy to move and store in seconds. Full set. This soccer goal set comes with everything needed to get little athletes practicing and developing their skills. Includes easy fold kid soccer goal, rotation molded soccer ball, and inflation pump, needle found in pump handle. Indoor and outdoor. Whether you are at the park, field, backyard, beach, or indoors, this set is ready for play and is conveniently transported. Compact size. The 22x17x16 dimensions for this goal allow for the first-time player to easily maneuver and practice their fundamentals. The Franklin Sports Kids Soccer Goal was designed specifically to teach little athletes how to play the game of soccer for the first time. Develop the skills and fundamentals needed to begin to explore the sport while keeping it fun as your little future champs try to score on this perfectly sized goal. The set is designed for indoor and outdoor play, and the goal features easy fold corner joints that allow for setup breakdown in seconds. It is the perfect set for first-time athletes learning to play soccer, including an easy fold goal, a rotation molded soccer ball, and an inflation pump to get the game started. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect toddler size. Read the dimensions. Many reviews state the goals and ball are small, but we found them to be perfect for our 1-year-old son. He's really into kicking the ball, but had no interest in the Fisher-Price goal, basket toy. My husband loves soccer, so this is the perfect toy for them both. Not only does it function as a goal, but our son loves to push them around. He'll sit on the nets, so we have found them to be fairly durable through normal use and his crazy use. They fold easily and are super lightweight that make them easy to travel if necessary. Ball is small, but actually larger than most toddler-size soccer balls we found. Fisher-Price ball included for photo reference as it's smaller than the one included in this set. The pump is great as well.